Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ethereum is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, this is very bullish. If you follow me before, if you're new to the channel, we always start with the daily chart. We talk about this double bottom. We hit 588. I mentioned we're going to counter resistance 746. We blasted through that. I haven't posted in a couple of weeks because typically, guys, the last 2 weeks of the year, people take the day off and liquidity dries up. So when liquidity dries up, prices are a little bit whack. But we did have this last 2 days been rally through rally, and now we're at 1,100 bucks, 1,150 or so. So it's good. Looking at RSI, guys, we're still not quite as overbought as this last couple times, so we're still in good shape. And even if it's overbought, who cares? A lot of times market keeps rallying. So that being said, guys, let's look at the weekly chart instead. I think the weekly chart will give us a little bit more insight of what's going on currently. So if you're new to the channel, I'm using the fibs from the week of January 8th of 2018 to March 13th low, yeah, or so, that week. So that's how I'm coming up with this fibs right now. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. The two guys that train me always say to make sure you help somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the crypto market how to make some shackles. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. If you get anything useful out of the channel, guys, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So that being said, guys, last week was mega bullish. Look at this. Now, what's going to happen this week? We just started the weekend and we had to like a $300 or so, what was it, like 200 and something dollar rally, which is great. Now, where is this going? So let's see. Depending on where this closes this week, the week just started, so that's a long way, but we are gonna have probably a little bit of resistance here, the 78.6% retracement, so 1139. That's why we kind of blasted through it, and then now we're pulling right back. So depending on how the markets are right now, so we're probably gonna have some resistance there. Now, we on a daily, if we blast through this, realistically our next target will basically 1,400 bucks or so. More likely will be an overstretch, so it's 1,500. Let's go back to the daily chart again. So yeah, this 1139 here is gonna be quite a bit of resistance. If we start pulling back, see, we're right on the money. If we have a little bit of a pullback, some sideways consolidation, we might head back to 920, 912 bucks or so, around that area, because that will be the 61% retracement of the bigger swing. The moving averages are far away. If we do have a pullback, that 20-day moving average, which is this blue line right here, will more likely will be right there. The 200 is kind of far, so I don't see this unless the world ends or something like that, pulling back as of right now to 400 bucks or anything near like that. So just keep that in mind. We're probably gonna have a pullback. We had a huge rally this last couple days, so when things are parabolic like they are, we usually have a little bit of a pullback. Now, let's just go back to the weekly chart again. By the way, guys, you guys requested, we delivered, we created Easy Crypto Pro. I'm going to put it down on the description below. Go and check out the website. If you need more help aside from the channel, then that's where you need to be. We created a light version, which is just technical analysis, and we also created a pro version, which we're giving you setups as they're happening. You'll know as I go in and out of positions. Now, I don't go in and out of positions every day, so just keep that in mind. I just like I always say, you have to have the accuracy of a sniper in the rhythm of the chess player if you want to make it in this market. So go and check out Easy Crypto Pro. I'm gonna put it down in the description below. So that being said, guys, we might have a pullback to 912 bucks. I mean, some sideways consolidation, which will be good because then, you know, if you get some parabolic moves like this, then man, usually if they continue and then they pull back and they pull back hard. I mean, if you get it nice and mythological, and then they're good. If we blast through 1139, then 1400 or so will be your next resistance level. Now, let's just try, just for fun, let's just go from, let's try from there, there, and then there. Let's see what that tells me. So, if we, okay, so let's just zoom this a little bit. Okay, there you go. So, using some fib extensions for guys, I'm using what the week of March 9 of 2020 to August 31st of 2020 to the pullback of September 1st of 2020. If we blast through, you know, the basically 1426, 1500, we're probably going to shoot to 1500 bucks. If we blast through that, guys, our next resistance level will be 1752. Now, before we get too excited that we're heading there, just remember, we need to go and hold, at least on a daily chart, 1139. If not, guys, then we're going to be some trouble, probably going to pull back to 912. So just keep that in mind when you're trading. I mean, we're going to be careful, especially since stuff is rallying hard. So that being said, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.